There you go, brosies. I'm just washing it today. I've got the I took it out the bumper. This is the back bumper. This is the this is the back bumper. As you can see, this one here. I bought it for $500, and it has. It's got no. It's got no engine and gearbox, and no batteries in it. Okay, it has the radiator. It's got the lights on it. It's got the module. So it's got the brake lining. Everything is okay. Just I just need to buy a second-hand GS 300 SL. These are my product to my project for today. Hey, so this is what it is, and I'll show you all the side. See, it's got damage in it. You gotta do the panel beating later on. It's got a lot of I think it's been in the on the outside of the scrap yard or dealer yard. So that one's got a broken, not a broken. It's just bended, and that's the back bumper. This is the front grille. Is that one is okay, no damage for that one. The front and the back has no damage. It's just this one has got bend on it, but that's okay, we can fix that. At the moment I'm washing it, that's why I pull it out. As you can see, still good. Look at that. That's nice. This one is nice. It's got some spider on it. No. I just killed one spider there. Yeah, everything in here. See, but it's still intact, still clean. No damage. Look at that. It's got the alternator, and here, look at this. Still good. The handle is good. Everything is okay. The side door is alright. Look at that. It's just this one here, because I put something here. I put the bumper, and it just got some dent on it. Okay, this one is still alright. Look at that. Yeah, all good. So this is our project for today. Okay, there you go. Yeah, good lucky. So we're gonna start cleaning it up, and then buy a second-hand GAS 300 and engine and gearbox at the same time. So that's about it. Probably put a new wheels on that later on, make it nice, just like the other black one I've got. So stick around. This is the bumper. This is the bumper for this one. We have the boot lid. Can't find the boot lid. And this putty. Another putty here. Putty here. Putty. This one haven't finished this one yet. Hello brosies, welcome back to my channel. Update of the project of Lexus IS200. As you can see, there he is. Here we go. It's fully painted now. Look at that. You can see. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Let's go around. Everything fixed. See, there was a problem there. Now it's working. It's all right now. This one is okay. Look at that. See, put it a wing now. It's all done. I only need one of the tail light. I need to buy one. Look at that. Woohoo! You see? Yeah, it's working. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. Wow. See? Bring it down, that one up. Look at this. That all good. Need to do some cleaning. Just a little bit of cleaning and that's it. See, there was a problem here before. See, looks okay now. It's work. Yeah, everything's good. Look at that. All fixed. Yeah, all fixed. Look at that. Need some washing. Yeah, need to wash it and that's it. Okay. I'm just gonna bring it down, this one now. Yeah. Look at that. You don't wanna miss my video? Make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?